Hey everyone, we're back. How are we all doing today? Is a very special day. Today the stairs are getting delivered. The stairs are started to go in. They're saying it's probably going to take around, I think he said around about a week to fit them, just all from start to finish. So we're going to have quite a good episode. This episode is going to last a few days. Right, first thing is we have got to clear all of this rubbish out here so they've got a nice clear area to work with. And I'm going to wait for them to turn up before we start taking these stairs down, because I'm not really going to take that down on me jacksy, because I can see that landing on my head and squashing me. So let's move this stuff out of the way first, and then we'll see and wait what... I was about to look at my watch, but I'm not wearing one. Right, so let's get this out of the way. Right, the last bit of kit. This, you can't see it, this is coming very handy. Have a butcher's at this. I was about to tell you about my paint sprayer. I just got word that the stairs are on their way. Oh, and ho ho. What do we have here then? Vehicle number one. I've been told that we have two vehicles incoming, a smaller van and then a big van with the stairs in it. I feel like this is Christmas. It's Christmas, my birthday, everything all rolled into one. Right, let's see what happens. I'm assuming this is the van with the goods in it?
Yeah.
Right, the moment I've been waiting for how long has it been?
Weeks.
Weeks, months?
It's got to be nearly a year since the first time.
There we go, about a year.
Under wraps.
It's under wraps, but I can see. Oh, can I touch it? Oh, this is going to look fucking amazing. I can't wait for this. This is by far going to be one of the main focal points of the house. So you know how I've been constantly opening those back doors pretty much every day? I reckon now I'm going to be running up and down these stairs pretty much every day after opening the doors. Right, so let's get this moved in. I hope you guys, and we'll get started, I suppose. I'm falling over my stairs already. So now we've got everything in. I say I'm taking credit for all the stuff that these guys are doing at the moment so far. So they've got all the tools in, they've got all the whole staircase in, and now the next port of call is to rip out this old temporary staircase that's in there. It's time to change a bit of pine for a bit of oak. I think it's pine. So I'll say we're going to get this out. I'll give them a hand to get this out, but a lot of the work is going to be done by the professionals. I'm just the lackey who's going to help out as and when. So let's get these stairs out and see what the next port of call is. Turn my back for 5 seconds and the old stairs are gone. I'll tell you what, these guys work quickly. For the viewers at home, what's the rough way that this is going to sort of go together, if you don't mind, in a few words?
Well, we're just going to take temporary handrail down to start with.
Right.
And obviously we've got to nip the floorboards back a little bit here.
Okay, yeah.
And then the top section is going to go in first.
So you're going to work from the top down?
Top down, yeah.
Oh, nice.
And,
it's like putting the roof on first and then building the walls.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, sweet. And then I guess, are they called null posts, the things that hold it up?
Yeah.
They go in afterwards? Or as you go?
The top newels will be on the top, already on the top
right,
of the stairs.
okay.
We'll notch them round the floor joist here.
Okay, so
then this main bit of main flight will come in.
Yep.
And then we'll get the newel post, this central newel on, and then come round with the winders.
Nice.
And then the last newel and the ball nose at the end.
Nice.
Should get the main bulk in today.
Yeah, nice.
Are the ball noses and that last newel, I reckon.
Okay, sweet. Hopefully you understood half that. Some technical terms there, like what was it? Ball nose, null posts. Yeah. So there's some technical terms. So yeah, I might actually leave a what's it called, a glossary of terms down in the description. So have a look down there if you're not quite sure what bits and pieces are. I'll leave a little list of it down there so you can have a little look about. But yeah, so that is how it's going to go. Well, the guys have finished cutting out and getting everything all prepped, or almost finished getting everything prepped. The old stairs are gone. Obviously, as you can see, everything is all trimmed back. But I just wanted to bring your attention to something which I found quite interesting. It's a very tidy little cut. So as you see here, they've notched out and cut out the existing floorboards that are in here. So basically, the top step of the stairs are going to slide in here, and they're going to be just a little fraction higher than this here, because upstairs is all going to be carpet, and we want a nice seamless go through from the top of the stairs to the carpet. So that's what this little cutout is for, and I just thought that was quite interesting. Just thought I'd bring it to your attention. Yeah, nice little cut there. Good stuff. I'll let them get back to it, get down the stairs, and I'll bring you back when something else cool has happened. Hi everyone, Future Road in here. Now, I've just jumped in here very quickly before you see the build of these stairs. I'm actually sat on the finished product, because I just want to say that Dan and Olly, the two guys, the two chippies who built this from Sussex Carpentry and Joinery, I just have to give them a shout out. I just have to say, I'm going to leave a link to their website and their Instagram down below. Please go and follow them, because these guys are just absolutely incredible at what they do. Absolutely unfaultable. Keep an eye on them, because these guys are very, very good at what they do. I've also tried to convince them to do a YouTube channel. So go over to their Instagram, like them, follow them, do all that, and then in a comment on the latest post, just say, make a YouTube channel. Because I seriously think they'll go places with it, because wait till you see what they've done. It is just absolutely incredible. I'm just over the moon with how good quality, and just they're great guys. They don't only do carpentry and joinery as well, by the way. Check out their website again, because they do extensions, houses, gardens, things. They do loads of stuff. They're like not just insane carpentry, but they are, I think this is just their bread and butter. So yeah, please do go down below, follow them on Instagram, hit them up, get over there. Just for me, I really appreciate it, because I just want everyone to know how insanely good these guys really are. I'll explain what happened in a future video. So yeah, please, I'm just going to say it one more time, go and follow them over there, and yeah, enjoy watching them build this absolutely incredible staircase.
Summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late.